Welcome back, dear students. So, start with the today's topic, which is air pollution. So, what is air pollution? What causes air pollution, and what is the major impact of this air pollution in human, in plants, and as well as in our ecosystem? So, start with the introduction. So, sustain all living things is due to living in the combination of gases that collectively known as and form atmosphere. As we know, the imbalance caused by any increase or decrease in the percentage of these gases can be harmful for survival, as it makes it and it when any harmful gases, dust, smoke enter in our atmosphere and make it difficult for plant, animal, and humans to survive as their air become very dirty. So air pollution is one such form of refer to a contamination to their air, irrespective to indoor as well as outside. So air pollution can further classified into two sections: visible air pollution and invisible air pollution. So various different causes of air pollutions are in the burning fossil fuels, like in vehicle fuels and agriculture activities, exhaust for from exhaustion from the there's industries and factories, mining operations, and indoor air pollution. So disastrous effect of these air pollution are respiratory and heart problems, severe diseases related with respiration and heart attacks or heart problems due asthma and other diseases. Global warming due to it's a due to increasing in atmospheric temperature, acid rain, mixing of severe and other combination of other infectious gases, and which cause acid rain, eutrophication, effect on wildlife, and depletion of ozone layer, damage to the crop, and other change to the global climate. And prime pollutants are mainly classified into two types: primary pollutant and secondary pollutant. So what are the primary pollutant? As you can see in the diagram, air pollutant, which is emitted directly from the source into the atmosphere. So what kind of source, where they come from? Like they are from transportation, around 46%, stationary source of fuel combustion around 27%, and these are industrial process from around 15%, from solid waste disposal around 2.5%, and miscellaneous around 9%. So sulfur dioxide, on what they are formed: sulfur dioxide around 16%, and carbon monoxide around 49%, nitrogen oxides around 14%, and carbon and particulate matters around 6%. So they form in a primary pollutant. And after that, what is secondary pollutant? Secondary pollutant are air pollutant formed in the atmosphere as a result to chemical or physical interaction between the primary pollutant. As you can see, these are primary pollutant: carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and interact primary pollutant themselves or between the primary pollutant other atmosphere compound, and they make secondary pollutant. So chemical produced highly reactive when the photoreactivation is involved in the chemical process of their formation. Complicated control process are understanding the interrupting chemical reaction landing their generation. What is a smoke and oxidizing, reducing a smoke? So atmospheric sulfuric acid is one of the example of secondary pollutant. Air pollution in urban and industrial area is often called smoke. So the major component of photochemical smoke is ozone. Photochemical smoke, a noxious mixture of gases or particles, are produced when the strong sunlight trigger photochemical reaction in the atmosphere. So, what are the methods to control air pollution? Establish the industry away from the towns and cities. Growing more plants and trees, plantation is very important. Use of efficient engines in automobiles. Use of smokeless stoves. Use public mode of transportation, and conserve energy. Understand the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Emphasize one clean energy resource. Use energy efficient and efficient devices. So, thank you so much,